Welcome to AI Process World. Today we're diving deep into a massive bakery factory where thousands of delicious cakes are produced every single day. It all starts with the finest ingredients, huge silos filled with flour, sugar, fresh eggs, butter, and special flavors. Everything is measured automatically with incredible accuracy. Robotic arms pour them carefully into the giant mixers. No room for any mistakes here. Let's see how it all begins. The powerful industrial mixers come alive. They spin at high speed. Flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and flavors blend together slowly at first, then faster, turning into a smooth, creamy, airy batter. Look at those beautiful air bubbles rising. That's exactly what gives the cakes their light, fluffy texture, so perfect and inviting. Ready for the next exciting step. Now the batter flows smoothly to the depositing line. Precision nozzles fill hundreds of molds with the exact amount every time. Every tray looks uniform and beautiful. Then, the conveyor moves them straight into the long tunnel oven. Thousands of cakes baking side by side, heat waves rising, golden crusts forming slowly. The temperature is controlled perfectly. Can't wait to see them come out hot and ready. Hot cakes emerge from the oven, steam rising gently. They move on to cooling racks. Fans blow cool air to set the structure quickly. Nothing collapses, everything stays firm and perfect. Now they're ready for slicing. High-speed blades cut them into clean, even layers, precise and satisfying every single time. Time for filling. Cream or jam is injected right into the center of each layer. So neat and even, layers are stacked carefully one on top of the other. Robots spread frosting smoothly across the top and sides. Look at that creamy, even coat. It's so glossy and beautiful. The cakes are starting to look absolutely delicious. Decorating robots take over. They pipe beautiful swirls and patterns, add colorful sprinkles and edible decorations. Each cake becomes unique and stunning. Quality checks happen right here. Every cake is inspected closely. Only the best ones move forward. Amazing attention to detail. Now packaging begins. Automated arms place the finished cakes into boxes gently. Sealing is fast and tight. Labels with barcodes and dates are applied perfectly. Pallets are stacked neatly, ready for trucks to take them everywhere. The whole line moves so smoothly, incredible efficiency. And that's the complete journey, from simple batter to beautifully packaged cakes ready for stores. Truly mind-blowing engineering, right? If you loved watching this, please hit that like button, subscribe to AI Process World, and turn on notifications. Your support means the world to me. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.